Hey, thanks for checking out Rocky Mountain Backcountry. I'm Lenny, and this is the story for today. I've brought you guys this far before. We've been in this area a lot. In fact, I live right off the hill right there. So anyway, on this ride, I didn't do much coming up here because you can go back and review any of my other videos and see a lot of that country below here. But for right now, well, we got some big news, you guys. You're going to want to stick around and see what we got going on. So I am going to show a little bit of the ride from here on in, but we're going to be going into some private property, and once we get there, I'll let you know what's up. Thanks for checking out Rocky Mountain Backcountry. Right now is the time to subscribe because you're not going to want to miss what's coming up for the rest of the season. And I'm super excited. It's going to be awesome. So this is a highly undisclosed location, and we are on private property now, and this road is, well, look at that. It's really not a road. See what we got going on there? This is as primitive gets. Like I say, not to mention that we're on private property. So anyway, woo, this is good. I'm so excited, you guys. This is gonna be fun. Man, are you kidding me? I just never get tired of this, you guys. Woo! It's good. It's good. It's real good. Well, I'm here. This is a pre-designated spot that I've had in mind for a long time to do what we're gonna do. And well, check this out. There's some old ruins here of an old cabin. That's kind of cool. That was probably built back in the 20s. There's another cabin. I'll show you a pic really quick right here. That cabin was built in 1925, I believe. There's a signature that's on the log that's upside down. And it's a pretty cool spot. That cabin happens to be on BLM ground, but you have to go through about 2 miles of private ground to get to it. So anyway, that's kind of cool. But let's check this place out, you guys. That little old structure is pretty sweet. There's an old tin bucket there. Anyway, not a whole lot left of it. But anyway, the reason I'm here is because I want to find something else that's close, that's kind of flat ground and I'm gonna hike around for a minute and take a look what we got. When I find a spot, I'll let you guys know. Well, all right, you guys. This right here is a really good possible spot. Possible spot for what, you ask? Well, check out this picture right here. A couple of months ago, I stumbled across a video put out by The Outsider, and was a little pop-up cabin. And man, that just lit a fire underneath me. You know, part of what I do is not just riding the side-by-side, but part of the logo for the Rocky Mountain Backcountry is off-road, off-grid, and overland. So you guys have seen a lot of the off-road stuff. I love it. So now we're going to get into the off-grid stuff. I got permission from the landowner up here, and in this undisclosed location, maybe, well, mostly, he told me that I could build something like that right here. And it's not going to be permanent. It's going to be something that goes up quick and can come down pretty easy. But my plan is to do a full tutorial for you guys. I watched The Outsider build that cabin, and I thought I can do it. So that's what we're going to do. I don't know if it's going to be right here for sure, but that's what we're going to do. And I'm going to show you guys how to do it step by step. I'm going to show you everything that it costs to do it. And we're going to do a full breakdown of it once we get it done. So subscribe, like this video, and you guys, like I told you, you're going to want to stick around to watch this one. So hang out with me this summer, and let's go off grid, see how it turns out. I like it. Possible location number 2. I like that there's the pines around. It's a little more secluded. It's about a half a mile up the road. And this is sweet. I don't know, you guys comment down below. Let me know if you like the aspen location or the pine location for a off-grid pop-up cabin. All right, you guys, so I gotta show you this. I just came up this little spot, and now I'm back on BLM ground, and this is actually a trail that's on the Onyx hunt map. So and it's a tight little trail too. But woo, it is awesome. How about something like this for maybe location number 3? Back in there, anywhere in here, you've got to have permission to get through. You got to have permission to get through the private ground to get onto this BLM ground, because there's no other access. But man, this is pretty sweet. It's exactly what I like to do. Exactly kind of riding I like. Exactly the kind of places I like to be. there's a nice little spot right over here to go and throw up a hammock and have some lunch. Hey guys, drop me a comment down below and let me know if you think it gets any better than this with your clothes on. Because I don't think it does. Hey, so thanks for checking out Rocky Mountain Backcountry again today, you guys. I hope you enjoyed that video. I sure love being out in the hills and sharing it with you. You guys are awesome. Be sure to like this video, subscribe down there in the corner, and watch for more of this. More rides, more fishing, more off-grid cabin. Check it out. Rocky Mountain Backcountry right here, you guys. It's time to go home.